How to bold text in Facebook comment. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now, as you might know, there's no way for you to simply add a bold comment on Facebook. For example, if I wanted to add a comment that's written in bold on this video right here, the comment will just appear with a normal font and it won't be bold, as you can see right here. However, there's an easy workaround that we can use, which is say for example you wanted to write this comment, you wanted to write this one in bold. What you need to do is go ahead and copy all of your comment, and then you need to go up and open up any browser you have and search for bold text generator, and hit search. And as you can see, there's a lot of websites right here that you can choose from, but they basically all do the same job and work the same way, so choose whichever one of them you want. Going to choose this random one, and essentially what you need to do right here is you need to paste your comment, and the website will automatically give you the results in bold text. As you can see at the bottom, there's a lot of ones that you can choose from, so go ahead and choose the bold text that you want. I'm going to choose this random one because I like it better than the others. What you need to do is you need to copy it and then go back to your comment and paste it instead of the normal text, and then click comment. And as you can see, the text at the top, the comment has now been published in a bold text. So that was it for this video. That's how you can type in bold in Facebook comment. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.